We'll talk about public properties in Japan. There are lots of public properties and this quality is very high. Let me show you about public transportation in the metropolitan area, especially about the railway network. Japanese ride a train every day, especially the national character of the Japanese is shown in the railway network. First of all, the Japanese train will come to the timetable. That's because Japanese trains are managed in seconds. Next is an easy to understand guide. The station in the metropolitan area is very big and has many routes, so we need many guides. You can find big colorful sign like arrows, alphabet and number everywhere. You can receive useful information like weather news from the TV in the train. The last is the number of stations, lines and users. There are 14 routes and 467 stations in Tokyo. Shinjuku and Ikebukuro stations are also used by more than 3 million people a day. Every morning, despite the arrival of a train every 3 minutes on the main routes, the boarding rate is nearly 200%. So why is there no delay? It's not only for amount of the train lines, but because Japanese polite manners. We line follow the sign and give priority to passengers getting off. So we think the important key to keep on time Japanese polite manners. There is natural Japanese behavior behind the public transportation.
I will talk about the hidden Japanese technology. This is the gateway of the Japanese subway. There is a step here, but do you know what it's for? This step is an important thing made to prevent water from flowing into the underground when the road becomes submerged due to heavy rain or the like. On the other hand, this is the entrance to the basement of Sapporo Station South Exit Plaza, which is the gateway to Sapporo. There is no step here, but no body. This is a slope that people don't notice. Have a look at this. The plaza has various other ideas. As the plaza is a commercial facility in the basement, the ground breaks when you plant trees. So we supplement it with this. It's called Jimokumas. And we can sit down here. However, there are places that are planting trees nearby. It seems dangerous. But you don't need to worry. This is a pillar, so it's safe. And finally, it's about this line. This is a line made with the wish that people want to gather at Sapporo Station. The pursuit of safety and the livelihood of Japanese people who care about everything.
Hi there, it's my time. Well, I'm going to talk about Japanese manufacturing mind through JHT. Japanese engineers create new products or functions mainly for users. By the way, what is JHT? What do you think, guys? Well, that is Japanese high-tech toilet. That's why I wear this one. You get it? Thank you. As you know, Japanese toilet has lots of functions. Flushing sound emulator, heated toilet seats, and automatically opening, closing lids, and more and more. These functions are all included in one toilet. What are these functions for? The answer is, especially for women and the environment. Let me show the example to use the sound emulator. It is exactly for them. Many Japanese women are embarrassed making noise at restrooms. Therefore, they had flushed 2 times for masking the noise and flushing until the function was born. You know, it's not good for the environment because the actions waste too much water, like Niagara Falls in Canada. Anyway, the function has been solved these problems by flushing sound. Yeah. Here is the sound. Like that. Japanese engineers work with the mind, so these functions were created by Japanese engineers. When you find these public properties, please pay attention to them. Then you will feel Japanese atarimae means natural things for Japanese. Thank you for listening.